But I want to go across to Sahil Joshi first. As far as Priyanka is concerned, we are wasting our time. We shouldn't be doing this story in any case. We should be spending our time on the news track doing something else. Then why are we here, Sahil?
Pandemic, perhaps. Pandemic? No, you are not here for that. You're not here to cover one of India's biggest tragedy, the second wave.
I hope you've been watching. I know that you watch our coverage very closely,
you must be watching. No,
and that
you
know how much of the pandemic we've done. Priyanka, you said just a few minutes ago that you don't want China to interrupt and that you wanted her to conclude.
I was responding to you. I was responding to you as the anchor boss. I think I can do that. I wasn't interrupting Sahil. I was interrupting something you said. That is it.
Okay, so when Sahil speaks, then you won't speak. Okay, fine. Sahil,
no, I won't.
Why are we here?
As an anchor, I think I can tell you.
Is there actually dal mein kala and something fishy going on in Maharashtra? Everybody should sit back and have their vada pav and not worry about this.
First of all, let me just bring in some facts right now. How this discussion started. All this discussion started after, I will call it alleged meeting, because NCP completely denied that any of such meeting ever happened between Sharad Pawar and Amit Shah in Ahmedabad. But Amit Shah's statement after the meeting, you must have heard, you also asked him the same question, and what he said is that there are certain things which should not be discussed in the public. And since then, all these rumors have started coming in.
No, but that meeting did happen.
After that,
the fact that this meeting happened, I know on very good sources, absolutely is true.
Correct.
The fact that Amit Shah did meet with Sharad Pawar is a fact.
Correct. So after that, all these discussions started, and after that, what we see is that Prime Minister Narendra Modi, of course, it was a delegation led by Maharashtra Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, and Ashok Chavan also accompanied him. But there was a 40-minute one-on-one meeting with the Chief Minister and Prime Minister. To look at it, we will not say that the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister shouldn't meet. But have we seen Prime Minister meeting a Chief Minister from a state like Maharashtra for 40 minutes? And since then, all these discussions started taking place in the Maharashtra politics. Now,
no,
what
but the Prime
people are
Minister
looking
does
at
meet
it
Chief
in a way.
Ministers. No, one second. If that's the ask,
right.
The Prime Minister does tend to meet Chief Ministers pretty frequently.
Of course, that's not the point. The point is that he met him 40 minutes and that was a one-on-one meeting. What actually started after that is that the Chief Minister made a comment that we have a good rapport. It seemed that he wanted to send a message that it's not only Mr. Pawar who can meet Amit Shah and can keep a good rapport with the BJP top brass, but it is also the Shiv Sena chief who can meet Prime Minister Modi and can have a good rapport at the same time. After that, the series of events, Shiv Sena's own MLA Pratap Sarnaik, who is facing an ED inquiry in 2 cases, wrote a letter to the Chief Minister and saying that this particular alliance is an uneasy alliance. The Congress and NCP is getting benefited out of it, but the Shiv Sena MLAs are saying that it's not benefiting Shiv Sena at all. What the Shiv Sena chief should be doing, he requested that should be having an alliance with the BJP so that the central agencies
you have something to
should
say
not
about
trouble
that, Priyanka Chaturvedi?